channel. This is Life with Kayla. Today we have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
I'm Kyle. Hi.
You guys may remember him for our not last video, but he was on our last video not like 9 months ago with the other snack crate. I forgot what the snack crate is called. What's called. But we have another snack crate that he's gonna try. He's my brother, if you don't remember. And here we go. We're gonna get started. Now, I don't know what the snack crate is from, where the snack crate is from, so I'm just gonna see today, but it looks like the snack crate is from Egypt. Y'all guys can see. Now, I don't know how you want to get started. You want me to like dump the stuff out and we can just go in order, or you just want to pick?
Let's just dump it out.
Okay. I'm just gonna mix it. I forgot. I literally forgot that there's a drink in here. Upgraded. Okay, so here's all the stuff. Now, I don't know how you want to go with it. How you want to go?
Let's do this one first.
Okay, what are those called?
They're baked pretzels.
Let's see what's in them. What's in these? Okay, thyme pretzels. Baked pretzel seasoned with thyme and a hint of sea salt. Earthy, herb, and recent original I can't pronounce this. Style, flavorless, satisfying crunch. So basically, they got a hint of thyme in it, and we're gonna try it. And let's move this out the way. This is what they look like.
It tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It's not.
It's really crunchy, like they said.
I like these. I give that a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I would recommend.
Alright, you want to open this one?
Yes. What are these? Let's see here. For the people in the back that don't know, what are these? It says, these are what it is. And it says, Spice Cheese Tubes. A crunchy tube, let me look. A crunchy tube, sharp cheese, and a tuber chili kick. So we're gonna open it. Get your one.
They're really big.
Yeah, they're really big. Should have broke this one in half because I don't know how this gonna taste.
You ready?
I'm scared. They taste like Cheetos.
Yeah, it's really chewy.
They taste like Cheetos. Ten out of 10, I would recommend. These are good.
They got little holes in them too.
Those are good. They're shaped weird, but they're another version of Cheetos. Okay, what do you want to try next?
Let's try this one.
Okay, what are those? What is that? That's the...
They're called lambada.
Oh, that's the yogurt strawberry wafers.
Oh yeah. They look like wafers too.
Creamy yogurt and bright strawberry layers between airy wafers. So basically, I had wafers before. I've been getting these boxes. They probably taste just like this. So let's see how it tastes. Let's see. Here, look at this. A good snack bake.
Yeah. It has some cream inside of it too.
Egypt. It's good. They ain't playing. It's good. Okay. I'm gonna go with this. Is this chocolate? I can't barely see. I don't know.
These are called Violet Date Bar.
I'm trying to see what it is. Buy Luck Bake Bar.
Yeah.
Trying to let's get it. Buy Luck Bake Bar. So right here. That's like the first one. Okay, a crispy gold biscuit filled with a soft date-filled center. Great for curbing midday cravings and satisfying flavor and perfect for dunking. So, I don't know. You taste it because it looks like chocolate, but I really can't see. Is it caramel inside? Or chocolate?
It has there's so many nuts on there. It looks like chocolate though.
Okay, well, you try it. He's gonna try it.
It kind of tastes like a mini Pop-Tart.
Mini Pop-Tart? What do you give it?
I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Only because I don't really like Pop-Tarts that much though.
Oh, really? Wow. There you have it.
Oh.
What?
It's not chocolate, it's raisin. That's what it is.
Raisin?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Let me try. It's like those fuzz bars you used to have. Them fuck new bars. I can't pronounce those. Them fuck new bars. This is what it tastes like. That's what that tastes like. A fuck new bar.
Alright. I guess I'll choose the next thing. These are called crunchy coated peanuts, gum nuts.
Oh, barbecue peanuts.
Yeah.
Donuts, barbecue peanuts. It's a delicious Egyptian snack packed with bold, smoky barbecue flavor and a satisfying roasted nut crunch.
You smell it? It's really strong barbecue.
It smells like those twisted barbecue chips you get like from the store.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, really nice.
That ain't bad.
I'll probably give it a 10 out of 10.
I would too. That's not bad. They not playing with this snack crate now. I thought everything was gonna be a little iffy, maybe good and nasty, but they not playing this time.
Yeah.
Okay. Mambata.
Yeah, it's another one.
Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's right here. Troca wafers, beloved classic future crispy wafers layered with smooth chocolate cream, sweet, nostalgic for afternoon tea. So
This is what it looks
Kyle's
like.
gonna try that because it has chocolate in it. Give it a try. Tell me how it tastes.
This one tastes really like a wafer.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I can taste the chocolate too a lot.
The 10 out of 10 you would recommend to the people out there?
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Wow. Like that's all the snacks. But we do have this drink. I don't know. Oh, it's peach apple soda. And this from Egypt. Okay, it's a frizzy and fruity with the crisp sweetness of peach and apple. A freshness bubble drink that's perfect for a sunny day treat. So here we go. We got a little shot glass here. We're gonna open it up. Try a little swig of this. Let's see how it tastes. Oops, sorry. I gave you. Let's see how it tastes. Cheers.
Cheers.
That was good.
Yeah, it's really fizzy too.
It's a 10 out of 10. I would recommend. Everything was pretty good. Like, these pretzels were good.
Yeah.
Like, I was thinking everything was gonna be good and nasty, but everything was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Everything. Not gonna lie, Egypt did their thing on this one. They did their big one. Not gonna lie. I suggest everyone get y'all a snack crate. I will put it in the comments down below. The website y'all can get it from. And I will guess I will see y'all guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to continue the vibe with your girl Kayla. Because if you're not vibing with your girl Kayla, what are you doing? Peace.